Hey guys, here what we have is a 67, maybe 68. I'm not exactly sure of the year, but it's a Mustang Shelby quarter extension. And what has happened is this aftermarket extension was a 1/4 inch too wide, so almost it's like 0.23, so it's pretty close. Anyhow, what we're doing is we cut this off. We're going to cut this section out and then weld it back together. Simple process. Should only take 2 or 3 hours to get this, depending on the metal purity. If the metal purity is bad, then it may take longer. But anyhow, we're going to get this taken care of, and stay tuned for the finished mod. Alright, so yeah, we just finished this quarter extension for the Mustang Shelby. Turned out pretty good. Metal was really dirty, but it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. But anyhow, that'll close this one up. Well, thank you again for watching, and we would appreciate your likes and comments. And also, we just wanted to wish everybody a wonderfully blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.